Welcome everyone. The first way to erase the Google Pixel 7 Pro is we're going to open up the settings. I will cover a way to erase if you can't access the touchscreen. And now once we're in the settings, we're going to scroll all the way down until we see System. This is near the bottom. Once we're in the System, we're just going to tap on Reset Options. And from here, we see the Erase All Data, Factory Reset. We're going to tap on this one, and then you just tap on the Erase All Data, and then that will erase the phone. All of your photos, data, accounts, they will all be deleted, so keep that in mind. If you do not have access to the touchscreen, what you do instead is you're going to press and hold the power key and the volume up key until you see a black screen. If you already see a black screen, just hold these two down for 10 seconds. So we're just going to hold these two buttons. We're going to keep them held down until we see the black screen. So there we go, black screen. When you see this, release both power and volume up. And now you're going to hold down power and volume down. Okay, so earlier we were doing power and volume up, but now we're going to do power and volume down. And we're going to hold these two buttons together until we see a certain screen. So we see here fast boot mode. Okay, and once we see this, we'll just click the volume up button, and you can see this option is changing. So we just click the volume up until we see recovery mode, and then we just click on the power button. Now it should enter the recovery, and then from here we're going to click power and volume up together, and power and volume down. My bad, hold down. You then hold down the power button and then click release volume up, and then you should be brought to this view here. So we're going to use the volume buttons to navigate this system, and then you use the power button, just click it to select your option. So we're going to go down to wipe data, and then we're going to click the power button to select. You click on factory data reset by clicking the volume down, and then you click the power button again. If you do this way and you had a Google account linked, you will need to enter in the passcode, because of course Google aren't going to let you just steal the phone, right? Because let's say I found this phone on the floor, this trick would work if you didn't need to enter in a Google account. But the Google account is just security, so your phone isn't stolen. And if you do change your mind, we go to the reboot system now option here, then we'll just click that with the power button. You'll be rebooted back into the operating system, and no changes will be made, so you don't need to worry about that. With that being said, if you would like to help support the channel, please do check out the description. There's many ways to do so. Bye bye.